Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Well guys, I tried to put this video up yesterday and so glad I didn't because they did come out with another spoiler. This is for the Boxycharm May box. So now I've got two new spoilers to show you. So they showed us which milk makeup product that we're getting, but it will be a variation. So we'll just sort of go over the two new ones, and then, well, actually, like I said, the milk makeup is going to be a variation. I'm going to show you which product that's going to be variated with. So first of all, the milk makeup is going to be the Luminous Blur Stick. Now, it's going to be a variation between that and the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. And then the next new one, which they just released today, is going to be the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow. You'll get one of two shades in either Ice or Cupid, and that's going to be in every box. And then, of course, you know that we're getting the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser or the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. So you'll be getting one of those two items. And the dose of colors, the lippies have been confirmed for a future box, but the month and the exact lippy is unconfirmed. So we're still waiting on that. So that's it, guys. I wanted to update you guys on the new spoilers. So make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny thing before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.